Well. Bitcoin, crypto, my old friend. Since I was doing my live stream, I don't know, I ended it a little while ago. Bitcoin has fallen below my trend line. If you go look at my live stream of me streaming for basically 2 hours doing almost nothing but watching the chart and going through some of the crypto news, which we can take a look at. Let's take a look. But basically the gist of it is we all know Trump has threatened with more tariffs and such, and retail's dumping Bitcoin. Whales go heavy on Ethereum. Really? Are they going? Let's take a look at the Ethereum chart. I don't really think they're going heavy on the Ethereum chart if it's also trailing low. So, yeah. But anyway, retail investors appear to be offloading Bitcoin, even though Ethereum holders significantly increased their stash. So maybe there's dip buyers. I don't really see it, but according to the news, we have on-chain data shared by CryptoQuant shows that the 7-day moving average. I love that. 7-day moving average of Bitcoin inflows from short-term holders to Binance surged from around 10,000 Bitcoins to over 36,000 Bitcoins by the end of July. This dramatic rise in exchange deposits typically signals an intent to sell, particularly when prices have recently climbed. The timing aligns with Bitcoin's rally to local highs, which prompted retail investors to lock in profits rather than holding through potential volatility. Anyway, I'm not going to go through this whole thing. You guys know how to find the news on your own, but Bitcoin did have a topping tail, which triggered a potential bear flag here. So if we slowly go in, let's use an hourly from around here. I'm not very good at drawing lines, but essentially, let's do a flagpole from there, and then let's do another from there. We have, let's do one more just to outline the bear flag, which it's gone down from, basically, right? It consolidated in this range, but essentially you've got bear flag setting up for a little bit of consolidation and profit taking in crypto. So it's a quick video. We all know that it's very volatile late at night, but with Trump heavily pumping crypto during his presidency this time around, we all know that the U.S. is much more of a friend to having crypto adoption. So we'll see if we can come off these lower highs or lower lows. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it looks like, because it looks like this could trigger a red day tomorrow or in a couple hours when the market opens. The futures are also down. If we take a look at the 1 hour, let's start to zoom in a little bit more. You can see that we're just giving back a couple days of gains, I guess. Let's see. We've almost had a full week of it's looking like a red week here, but it's always good to zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. So all-time highs, what do you guys expect? Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe if you like the content. We're kind of pivoting from gaming to financials. And let me know. Peace.